If you know what this is, you've probably already heard that this is going to be the last edition. This is the World Radio TV Handbook, and this is the 2022 edition. Mine has just arrived, courtesy the British DX Club, of which I'm a member, and they always run an offer on this publication, and most years I order one. Sadly, as I say, this is the last edition. It's been a recent announcement from WRTH. They're not going to do any more, so I thought we'd just have a very quick look at the 2022 edition. And if we just on the inside cover, we've got pictures of the covers of some of the earlier editions running back to 1999. So that's quite interesting. And I don't know whether there's any mention here in the book itself that this is the last one. And yes, there is in the editorial. There is mention here that this will be the final volume. I don't know why that is particularly, but I imagine it's the decline of shortwave broadcasting generally. Got some information on here on the people that contribute to the WRTH. We've got a review here of the ICOM 705, which is quite unusual to have a transceiver in the WRTH, but I imagine they're looking at the receive capabilities of this. We've got a review of the Sangean ATS 909X2 also. What else have we got? And the Texan H501, so some of the sort of high-end portable receivers are all in here. We've got a loop antenna review, Texan PL330, which is a more budget machine. Got a review of that. And we've got, surprisingly, a review of the Chinese ATS 25 radio, so it'll be interesting to see what they think of that when I get a chance to read this. So a typical WRTH with reviews of new equipment. There's an article on HF broadcast transmitters here. There's a hobbyist telling us about 75 years of his involvement in radio. Got an article on Voice of America article here, KTWR. Radio in Lesotho. Article there. And then we're on to the few advertisements and the actual business end of the WRTH, where you have the listings of all the individual broadcasters. And what I find, I'll just show you quickly the frequency listings here. Okay, which give us, this is just medium wave in East Asia. Lists all of the stations. So this is a publication that will really be missed. There are one or two publications available that will go some way to filling the gap, and I'll talk about those in another video. But that's a very quick look, and sorry for the poor camera work, but a very quick look at the WRTH 2022.